Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, I'll continue exercise 2.2 from question number 5. We did till question number 4 in our previous video. So we'll continue this video with question number 5, in which we were learning how to construct an expression. In question number 5, they are saying write an expression for number 1 the perimeter, and the number 2 the area of each rectangle. Write each expression in its simplest form. So you have to write an expression of all these four parts in form of perimeter, first in perimeter, then in area, and then they are saying then use the values given and the method they used in question number 4 to check your expressions are correct or not. These are the values which are given to you in each questions. After making the expressions, you have to put these values in those expressions to find out the value of the perimeter and the area. I had done these questions for you. Question number 5, part A. You have to find perimeter. Perimeter is the sum of all sides. So we will add x plus 2, x plus 2. These are two sides, and 3 plus 3 are the other two sides. By solving these expressions, our parameter will be x 2x plus 3. So this will be our parameter. To find area, we will multiply length with breadth. Length is x plus 2 and the width is 3. By multiplying it 3, it will be 3x plus 6. Same is the case. These are two parts. Part one we find perimeter, in part two we'll find area, and the third part will put the value which they have given, which is x is equal to 4. We put this 4 into this expression and this expression. So by putting this value 4 in the area's expression, which is 3x plus 6, 3x will be 4 and plus 3. 3 to 4 will be 12 plus 6. 12 plus 6 will be 18. So by putting the value of 4 in the expression of area, we find the area, that area is 18. Same goes with perimeter. We use the expression of perimeter, which is 2x plus 10. By putting the value of x as 4, 2 into 4 will be 8 plus 10. 8 plus 10 will be 18. So area and perimeter is 18 is area and 18 is perimeter. Then part B. In part B, same. First we will solve the perimeter by adding four sides. We have the perimeter, and by using the formula of area we can find the area, and by using these two expressions, by putting value y value, which is 10, in area and perimeter. Area expression is 4y minus 2 24. 4 into y is 4y. 4 into 6 minus 24. So by putting the value of y as 10, 4 into 10 will be 40. 40 minus 24 will be 16, and the expression of parameter is y plus y 2y, and minus 6 minus 6 minus 12 plus 18, that will be minus 4, because minus 12 plus 8, different sign, we will subtract them. 12 minus 8 will be 4, but the sign of bigger value, which is 12, that's why it is minus 4. By using this expression 2y minus 4 and putting y is equal to 10, 2 into 10 will be 20. 20 minus 4 will, the answer is 16. So moving to next part, which is question part number C and D. In part C, we'll find parameter by adding n plus 4, n plus 4, these are two lengths, and n are width. By adding these, our parameter is 4 n plus 8, and we can find our length into length, particular width. Length is n plus 4 and the width is 4. N into n will be n square, n into 4 will be 4n. This is our area, this is our parameter. By using 6 as a value of n and putting this 6 in these expression, we can find area. By putting 6 in these expressions, 6 square will be 36. 4 into 6 is 24. 36 plus 24 will be 60. 4 into n, which is 6. 4 into 4 into 6 will be 24. 24 plus 8, 24 plus 8 is equal to 32. Okay, part D, parameter is p is equal to p square plus 4p plus 4p, p square plus p square will be 2p square, and 4p plus 4p will be 8p. So the expression will be 2p square plus 8p. Area will be length into width. Length is p square into 4p, and our area is 4p cube. So by putting the value of p as 2 in area, the cube of 2 is 8. 2 into 2 into 4, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, and 8 multiplied 4 is 32. To finding the parameter, we put p is equal to 2, 2 into 2 square plus 8 into 2, 2 square is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16, 16 plus 8 is 24. So we are done with question number 5. Now we'll move to question number 6. As question number 6 is a activity based question, so we can skip this question and we'll move to question number 7. Question number 7 is same, like we are given with a triangle, and triangle with three sides. So they are asking you that the length of the sides of a triangle are written as an expression. Lengths are given in expression form, so you have to work out the lengths by using, when w is equal to 2 and v is equal to 3, you have to find the values of these lengths by using w is equal to 2 and v is equal to 3. I had solved this question for you. So how you will find out w, one length is 3 into w square, 3 into 2, w is 2, by putting w as a 2, 3 to 2 is 6, 6 into 6 square will be 36. Second length will be 2v into 3v minus 2w, by putting the value of w and 2, w and v, we can find the second length, which is 30, and by putting the value of w and v third expression, we can easily find the third length. W plus v, 2 plus 3 will be 5, and putting 2 as a w, 5 into 2 will be 10, 10 into 5 will be 50. So these are three lengths of the triangle. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Then they are saying use your answer to part A to work out the parameter of the triangle when w is equal to 2 and v is equal to 3. They are saying you have to find the parameter. In part A, they were just asking you to find the length. In part B, they're asking you to find the parameter. It is easy to find the parameter of this triangle because we already know the length of this triangle. We just add the lengths of this triangle to find the parameters. So the length will be 36. As we know, the length of 3w whole square is 36 from our previous question, and the length of 2v into 3v minus 2v is 30, and the length of 5w w plus v is 50. By adding these three lengths, we find the parameter, which is 116. So part C is write an expression for the parameter of the triangles to show that the expression can be simplified as 14w square plus vw plus 6v square. So we know we have to just add the lengths in the expression form. So we took the sides in expression form and I just expanded them. 3 square will be 9, w square will be w square, plus 2v multiplied by 3v will be 6v square, 2v multiplied by 2w will be plus minus minus 2 into 2 4vw, plus 5w into w will be 5w square, and 5w into v will be 5vw. By adding like terms, 9w square and 5w square, it will be 14w square. Then minus 4vw and plus 4vw, minus plus minus, we will subtract them, but the sign of bigger value, which is plus, so it will be positive vw. Then 6v square is alone, we just put it as it is. So our expression 14w square plus vw plus 6v square is equal to the same expression as they said. So hence it's proved. Part D is same, as you just have to substitute the value of w and v as 2 and 3 in this expression, and see as your answer is same as in question number as in part B. So I just put the values of w and v in the expression and solve it. 14 into w square, which is 2 square, which will be 4. 4 into 14 56. 3 into 2 will be 6, and 6 into v square, 3 square is 9. 6 into 9 is 54. By adding these three values, the answer is 116, which is equal to the answer of part B. So now we can move forward. Question number 8 is same as question number 7. I am not solving this question, but I am providing you with the solution of question number 8, so it can help you out for the practice, so you can have these answers, so it will be helpful for you, so you can understand it better. But if you don't want to do question number 8, it's more than enough. Question number 7 is enough to understand the concept of constructing expression. So now we'll move to question number 9, which is write an expression for the perimeter of this rectangle. So we have to find the perimeter of this rectangle. As we know, the perimeter is the sum of all sides. If this side is 5 minus x square, this side will also be 5 minus x square, and if this side is 3x square plus 4, this side will also be 3x square plus 4. So by adding these four sides, you can find the perimeter of this expression. So I solve this question for you. Question number 9 is here. By adding the side 5x square, 5 minus x square plus 5 minus x square plus 3x square plus 4 plus 3x square plus 4, by adding like fractions, minus 4x square minus 4x square will be minus 2x square, plus 3x square will be 3x square plus 3x will be 6x square, minus 2 plus 6 will be positive 4x square, and 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 4 will be 18. So the expression is 4x square plus 18. By adding the four side, the parameter is 4x square plus 18. Now part B, show that the expression can be simplified to the two brackets are 2x square plus 9. You simply have to take common from this expression. If I take 2 common, then 2 will remain over there, 2x square plus 9. So it is proved that if you take common from this expression, our expression will be same as they said in the question, which is 2 into 2x square plus 9. So in part C, they are saying by putting the value x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2 in this expression, you get the same parameter. So we'll check by putting the values when x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2. By putting the value x is equal to 2 in the expression, we see that 2 into 2 and 2x square will be 4 plus 9, 2 into 4 8, 8 plus 9 17, 17 into 2 is 4. When we put minus 2 in spite of 2, the answer will be same, because an answer of any as a square of any integer is always positive. If this minus 2 square is 4 and this positive 2 square is 4, that's why the answer are same. 2 into 4 8 plus 9, then 17, 17 into 2 34. So by putting x is equal to 2 and x minus 2, both the answers are same. So we can say that Arun is saying correct, that whenever he will put x is equal to or x is minus 2, the other parameters are the same. So now move to question number 10. In question number 10, they are saying a square has an area of 25, means a square when multiplied with length into breadth, its area is 25. So you have to find the perimeter. So if the how we can find the length, by taking under root 5, 25 under root is 5. When you will multiply 5 into 5, so the area will be 25 by multiplying 5 into 5. We can find perimeter by adding 4 sides, 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is 20, and which is equal to what they said in the question. In part B, they said a square has an area of 49. 49 will become with the help of 7. 7 into 7 is 49. So by taking under root, we can find one length. 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. By adding these four sides, our parameter is 28. In part C, they are saying a square has an area of x. So they are saying their area is x square, means they have under root x. By adding under root x, 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 by adding this, our parameter is 4x. Now we are done with question number 10. We'll move to question number 11. In question number 11, they say a cube has side length x. It's a cube, okay? And you have to write an expression for the volume of the cube. So the volume of the cube formula is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So its length is x into x into x, so its volume will be x cube. And a cube has a volume of y. Now the volume is given, we just have to take its cube root to find the value, to find an expression of its side length. By taking cube root of this y, the cube root of this y is 3 cube root of y, so this is the length of this cube. So we are done with exercise 2.2 here. We'll continue our series in the next video, in which I start exercise 2.3. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.